In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze Instagram and YouTube competitors with Gumloop. We're going to build a simple but powerful workflow that opens competitor profiles on Instagram and YouTube, gathers the right data, filters for what actually performs, uses AI to spot patterns, and then turns those insights into clear next steps you can use immediately. Start by logging into Gumloop and clicking Create Workflow. Give your workflow a short, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. For example, IG plus YouTube competitor analysis. Clear naming helps when you iterate or hand this off to a teammate. Next, add an input or variable step. This is where you'll paste your competitor profile URLs. You can include Instagram profile links and YouTube channel links together, one per line. For example, you might add instagram.com/competitor1 and youtube.com/competitor2. If you're just getting started, begin with a small set to test, then scale up once everything looks good. Add a browser or web automation step and enable looping so the workflow visits each URL from your input list automatically. On social platforms, pages load content dynamically, so include a wait for element action. Pick something that reliably indicates the feed is ready, like a post container or video grid. This small addition ensures posts and videos fully load before extraction begins, preventing empty or partial data. Now extract the key content data. Use extract text or scrape data steps and save each field as a variable. For Instagram, capture reel or post captions, hashtags, likes, comments, views, posting date, and content type, such as reel, carousel, or static. For YouTube, capture video titles, any visible text on thumbnails, views, likes, upload date, video length, and descriptions. Consistent variable names and cleaned formats make analysis much easier later. Once your dataset is collected, identify top performing content. Add a condition or filter step to keep only posts and videos with high views, strong engagement, and recent upload dates. A practical rule is views greater than the channel's average. This removes low performing noise and focuses your analysis on what truly resonates. With the winners isolated, let AI analyze patterns. Prompt Gumloop to find common hooks, repeating topics, caption and title patterns, posting frequency, emotional triggers, and CTA styles. This reveals why the content works.